Jaytee and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. So without further much ado, grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Rewrite the Stars. So I'll be teaching you guys 4 chords in order to play this song. So for the first chord, we have the chord of B flat. Next chord is E flat. Then for the third chord, we have the chord of F. And then for the last chord, we have the chord of G minor. So those are the basic chords that I will be applying to this song. Again, B flat, E flat, F, and G minor. And for our strumming pattern, it is basically down, down, up, down, up for the entire song, and just, yeah, follow the illustrations that I'll be showing you here. So, yeah. You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying your hands so tight. You claim it's not in the cards, but fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so we can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny. So that is for the verse 1. So again, just remember this strumming pattern. It is basically down, down, up, down, 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 up, like that. So in strumming your ukulele, you should position your fingers just like this, just like a money sign, and then position your fingers here in the B flat chord. So that is the first chord for the verse 1. And then in the down strums of your ukulele, so use the nail of your index finger for your down strums, and then for the up strums, you may use the nail of your thumb. Okay? So that's it. So let's try singing again the verse 1. You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying your hands so tight. You claim it's not in the cards, but fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. Said you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide? And this, for this part, who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? So just hold the E flat and then move on to the chorus. So for the chorus, just follow this strumming pattern and then just play along. What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight. And then just follow. After the word tonight, we have the B flat, and then we have the instrumental part after the chorus. So the chords for the instrumental part is just C minor, and then G minor, and then F. And then just follow this strumming pattern, okay? So the second verse is the same with what we did with the verse 1, and then after that part is another chorus, and then after the chorus is the verse 3. So let's move on to that part where they sing the part, all I want is to fly with you. So for that verse 3, the first chord that we have for that stanza is a G minor, and then just follow the same strumming pattern, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, and then move to E flat after that G minor, to B flat, F, G minor, D minor, and then E flat, And after the all of you, we have the line, it is impossible to say it's impossible, to say that's possible, okay? And then for that part, just strum E flat all the way to the last line and use the same strumming pattern. So the verse 3 should sound like this. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. Is it impossible? Say that's impossible. So after the verse 3 is another chorus, and yeah, after the chorus is the very last part of this song, which is the outro. So let's move on to this part. So for this part, the first chord is a B flat, and then strum your uke slowly using your thumb, just like this. And then, you know I want you. And then strum again. It's not a secret, I try. So after the word try, it's not a secret, I try to hide. So move to E flat, from B flat to E flat, okay? And then after that one is another B flat, but I can have you. And then for the last chord, we have the chord of E flat. We're bound to break and my hands are tied. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, so just click the subscribe button down below for more covers and ukulele tutorial. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And of course, don't forget your comments, your requests, so just drop it down on the comment section below. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!